Here's how to buy Tesla stock. First, deposit money into your brokerage account by selecting Buying Power and then clicking Deposit Funds. Choose your linked bank account and enter the amount you want to deposit. For this example, deposit $20 as a one-time transfer. Review the details and select Transfer to initiate the deposit. Depending on your brokerage, the transfer may take 1 to 2 business days to settle. However, you may receive instant buying power, allowing you to invest before the bank transfer is fully settled. Once you have available funds, search for Tesla by clicking the search icon and typing Tesla or its stock symbol, TSLA. Select Tesla to open its stock page, where you can review its performance, company information, statistics, news, analyst ratings, and other trading data. To purchase the stock, select Trade, then choose Buy. You can place a standard market order or purchase fractional shares. To invest a specific dollar amount, select the dollar option and enter how much you want to invest. Review your order, then swipe up to submit it. Once the order is completed, you'll see your Tesla shares listed in your portfolio. That's all for this video. Thanks.